We've come a long way throughout a journey of over 100 years. And we did it with you, always at our core. Every step we took it to improve your life. From when we started in 1920 as Eastern Bank. To date, we continue with our mission to provide you with the most reliable, innovative and friendly financial services available. And as the leader in Sri Lanka's digital banking innovations. We do this by always listening to you. You as a child, you as youth, you as a woman, a businessman, a family, a company, and as a nation. At Commercial Bank, we've heard you and understood your needs throughout an entire century, and we continue to listen. Because banking isn't simply just about a service, it's also about a responsibility to both our people and our environment. After all, we are Sri Lanka's first 100% carbon neutral bank. While we are the largest lender for the SME sector, the backbone of the nation's economy, we are also Sri Lanka's largest private bank. Because we are Commercial Bank, and our interest is in you.
In the banking sector, all of the bank nowadays digitalization. In commercial bank, also digitalization. In digitalization concept, we identify the financial inclusion concept. This concept consists within number of existing customer migrate to online banking channels, new customer acquisition through digital channels, total number of financial transactions in digital channels, digital customer base of the bank in the year. These are the can be identified financial inclusion components. Also, commercial bank take the step to the digital transformation for the next 3 years, driven by following goals. These are the goals: service transformation to achieve service excellence, operation transformation to be more efficient and effective, digital transformation to reform digital leadership, talent transformation to enhance performance.
The commercial banking industry in Sri Lanka can characterized under several dynamics, especially as the most powerful bank of Sri Lanka can recognize the commercial bank of Cylon and its endemic dynamic as below. Competition. The industry is competitive, with both domestic and foreign banks operating in the country. Domestic banks include big players like Bank of Cylon, People's Bank, HNB, and Sampath Bank. Regulation. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka regulates and supervises the banking sector to ensure regulation. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka regulates and supervises the banking sector to ensure stability and soundness. Regulation cover areas such as capital adequacy, risk management and consumer protection, open market operation and interest rate.
Welcome to Combank Digital. Transfer funds to other banks easily through domestic payments. Log in to get started. On the home screen, find the transfers option and tap on it. Tap on the domestic payments icon. Choose the
Technology adoption. Sri Lankan banks have been increasingly adapting technology to improve efficiency and customer service. This includes offering online banking service, money transfer, checking balance, bill payment, likewise and mobile banking apps and digital payment solution, as well as slipless transaction system in bank. Interest rates and monetary policy. Commercial banks in Sri Lanka are influenced by the country's monetary policy set by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka, which include decisions on interest rates. Changing in monetary policy can affect banks' lending and deposit rates as well as the profitability. Global economic trends. Sri Lankan banks are also influenced by global economic trends, particularly due to their exposure to international financial markets and trade flows. Events such as changes in global interest rates or fluctuations in commodity prices can impact the performance of banks in Sri Lanka. The Commercial Bank of Cylon contributing to the global effort of achieving sustainable development goals through sustainable banking concept and policy and support. Government policies, including fiscal measures and infrastructure investment, can have an impact on the banking sector. Additionally, government support programs aimed at stimulating economic growth or providing relief during crisis can affect banks' operation and productivity. For women empowerment, the commercial bank engage with through energy account.
In a world where convenience is king and time is of the essence, commercial banks are undergoing a digital revolution. Join us as we explore the transformative power of digital platform in the banking industry, from e-passbooks to flash digital bank accounts. Digital platforms. Say goodbye to long quizzes and paperwork. With digital platform, banking is now at your fingertip. From online portal to mobile apps, customers can manage their accounts, transfer funds, and pay bills anytime, anywhere. E-passbook. Traditional passbooks are a thing of the past. With the e-passbook, customers have real-time access to their transaction history and account balances, all from the palm and their hands. Flash digital bank accounts. Opening a bank account has never been easier. With Flash digital bank accounts, customers can sign up instantly without the hassle to paperwork or branch visitors. It is a banking made simple. Business transaction app. For businesses, time is money. Transaction apps streamline processes like invoicing and payroll management, helping businesses operate more efficiently in today's digital age. QR scanning system. Say hello to the future of payments. QR scanning systems make transactions secure and convenient. Whether you are shopping or dining out, just scan and go. Digital banking security. Security is paramount in a digital age. With encrypting, multi-factor authenticity and biometric identification, commercial banks ensure your data is safe and secure.
Envision route for the future in commercial bank. Advanced digital platforms. Commercial bank will continue to invest in cutting-edge digital platforms that offer seamless user experiences across devices. These platforms will integrate AI-driven chatbots, voice assistant, and predictive analytics to provide personalized service and proactive financial advice. PI ecosystem and open banking. Commercial bank will embrace open banking initiatives, leveraging APIs to foster collaboration with third-party developers and fintech startups. Robotic process automation. Routine tasks within commercial banking operations, such as account opening, loan processing, and regulatory compliance, will be automated using RPA technologies. Blockchain and digital assets. Banks will explore the potential of blockchain technology for secure and efficient cross-border payments, trade finance, and assets tokenization. Digital currencies and stablecoins may also gain traction as viable alternatives to traditional fiat currencies, enable faster and cheaper transactions. Enhance customer experience. Provide a seamless omnichannel experience, allowing customers to bank anytime, anywhere through mobile apps, chatbots, and online portals.